Hey, what's up guys, I'm Bexham Sean. Today me and my good friend Explorer with Mike 744 over here are in Carlisle area, and we're going to go to a place where quite fascinating. There's some abandoned jets, so we're going to go and have a look at them fighter jets, and where they are is through them trees over yonder, over there somewhere. So we're going to go over there, but as you see, all this snow, look at this, and we've had to drive along this from way over there. We were nearly at the base of that other hill, and this is how far we've had to drive. Miles. It's around about 5 point something miles we've had to drive along this road, and the road is literally like this. But luckily we have a 4x4, and also we've got a winch on it, so we're perfectly fine. But yeah, look at the breathtaking view over there guys, absolutely staggering. If I do a 360, look at that, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, right, anyway, come and join us as we venture down to see the jets, and yeah, we'll see you there. Well guys, we're on the way to one of our locations, and look what we've just come across. Active MOD site. I was just saying I'm going to bring my camera in, because I don't know if they're going to be watching us.
There's cameras on it.
Two? Yeah. Not worth the risk. Don't make it, it's going to be daunting going backwards.
Easy peasy lemon squeeze it.
Yeah, I know that as the way I want there.
Yeah.
Right guys, We're making slow progress, but God, you know, this is going to be one hell of a challenge, because we've come from right up there, and we're coming through here. So, and I think I am actually on MOD land now. I don't know, maybe. You can see how deep the snow is here, they're having to go through. And there's the tufts here that we call the baby's heads, which are one wrong move, ankle breaker. But yeah, this is savage to the least. But hey up, over I go. But we are making slow progress. It'd be easier if we could see where we're putting our feet. Now I will point out as well, ladies and gentlemen, if you want a Christmas tree, you can come and get them. We're not lugging them back for you. So yeah guys, like Mike's just said on his video, look what we've just had to come through. We've had to walk miles following a trail through this and through terrain like this, and look what we've just got confronted with, the goblin forest. So come and join us and let's see if we get eaten. Alright guys,
I'm having to lie down again. Sorry people, I've just decided to fall over.
oh dear,
I'm having to lie down, I'm tired.
I didn't even get up the hill either.
No.
Uh,
The things I do for you people. You better like and subscribe.
I can't talk.
Get off, John. You're going to fall soon.
Oh dear me. Right guys, without any more calamities, as you just saw Mike fell over, we're now at the jets. We've had to come through the woods. We made it without getting eaten by anything. There were no tigers and bears or by. So we've got this last hurdle to do, so come and join us as we get over this hurdle. And I'm going to go the way that Mike went, but I'll try not to fall. So Mike's sticking on the hill at the moment. So are you ready for this guys? You ready for this? We made it!
But this is what we've come here for. Other people have been here before us.
Yeah.
But I don't think any of us stupid enough to do it in winter.
No, there's only those who are stupid enough to do this in this weather.
One.
As you see, there's another one over there.
There's one over there.
But it looks like there's like ammo
There's
boxes.
a load more all the way over there. Absolutely loads of them.
Yeah, have you seen the what looks like ammo boxes?
Yeah. So let's go and take a look inside.
And these ones are rigs, Russian MiGs.
This is actually an airfield that we're walking on now.
Yeah, this, like Mike just said, this is
I
a...
think so.
Is that a van up there?
No, it's buildings.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, as Mike said, this land here is all MOD land, and still they do target practice and stuff like that. Now over the hill, right where my finger is, there's one of them swirly radar things. So we are going to be careful on this one. But other people have been here. So let's have a look. That's the air intake to the jet engine. Oh, and look at this. This is the sort of stuff we've had to go through to get here.
Not going that way.
Oh yeah, I can see it just there. Oh, oh. Smoke grenade. And it's been used as well. It's fired. Yeah.
Right, let's see if we can climb up the tree. This is where I fall on my arse.
I'll double film.
Get it in stereo. Oh. Look at me, I'm winging it. Sorry, sorry.
Yeah. What's it look?
Thank you. Right, let's have a look. The wind didn't come up to my way.
Well.
That's still got
Right.
in.
Hey.
Is that turbine? Still in.
Yep. Oh, my knees out.
I don't know that much, so I can't really tell you.
Right, we are winging.
No, it's an old joke, that man.
Yeah. I'm a winger. Look at that. That's a turbine. That's a jet turbine, is that? Wow. The air intake there. Oh, the air comes in into this and then it gets sucked into there and then into the jet engine, which is there. Wow. Fuel intakes on top. Or is... Oh no, that's the fuel intake. That's the fuel,
Stop here while I get some pictures.
fuel tank. Yeah, this is incredible. And this used to be all the runway around here, guys. So you just make out a bit of building through the trees there.
There's still some paperwork in there.
Is there?
Yeah. I think
Ooh.
it is, or unless the metal's gone.
Oh, I'll have a look. But yeah, the building over there, guys, that's still active MOD land. And they do target practice here as well. And drive up to here, we saw some signs for that. So,
Right in the centre.
yeah. Oh god, that's slippy, I don't want to... I can't see. Yeah, that's the cockpit.
If you look, there's like a tray in the middle. Right on top of the desk.
Oh yeah.
Can't tell whether that's paperwork in that slot.
No.
I wouldn't have thought it would have been.
No, that's for the heads-up display. I bet they're taking the ejector seat out though.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Right.
Oh, what grenade?
Boingy.
Keep this side up. Marsha.
Boingy.
Ready for the fall? Ready for the fall?
Damn.
So that's the runway. So if we stay, I don't want to get some close up to that.
Yeah. I'm going to say if we stay on runway. Right guys, I'm now actually on the runway. We're going to come across to this one. I don't know what. So I don't know what that is. Can't make out anything. 24 kilograms something. Oh right. I think that was for a rocket pod. You still see the turbine blades in there. I don't know if you can make them out. Cool. And you know this is Russian when you've got the air intake at the front here for the jet engine. Which Russian makers only had one engine. There's been a beehive in there, look, you can see. Is it, or is it just a nest? I don't know. But it stinks in here. The landing gear housing. Oh, do you know what this was, Mike?
Come again.
Do you know what this groove here was for?
Missiles.
No, machine gun.
Machine gun.
See, you've had a machine gun in there.
Back up on top of this one. See how this cockpit's like. I don't know where the is.
Well, that's buried in.
I mean, we have been here for a number of years, so not going to be much left on it.
Stones.
Onwards to the next one, we've got a big building just up there.
Yeah.
I think that's like control tower. Where is it?
I don't know.
Finger. Oh.
Yeah, we've got to get up there.
All the way up there. Right, let's go for a wander.
Oops. Yeah. Careful of this bit, Mike.
Yeah. Focus on the front and looking down.
Yeah, so anyone know what kind of tank this is? Let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section. Oh, it's got guns on it. Wow, that's a radar. That's a radar.
Yeah.
And that there. I wonder if this is like an anti-aircraft tank. Oh, can't open it. Yeah. If anyone knows, let us know in the comments. But I've tried opening the hatch, but I can't get it open. It's too rusted. Well, it ain't going to go nowhere because someone's put a soning wheel.
Oh, they clamped it.
Yeah. Kind of reminds me of something from Chernobyl.
Oh, sorry, walking through.
It smells though, doesn't it, as well?
It's got a number there.
What's that say? Yeah.
Oh, bullet casings.
Oh.
Anyone know what they are?
I can't see, I ain't got my glasses. 2.6 mil.
Go on, get in focus.
And that's
Another one there. So yeah, they're definitely shooting at it.
still smell the gunpowder.
Let's hope they're not shooting today.
They're just practice rounds.
Hang on.
Yeah.
I'm thinking that if this could have been, you had your tracks on the front for landmines.
Yeah, well that's the front though. You had the driver's cab.
I don't know. Just looking at that.
Yeah.
What would we have had on that?
I mean, I might have used that with some kind of.
Right, I'm going to see if I can get on top.
Storage for something, I think.
Some cylinder.
Right, so I've made it on top of the tank, guys. You can see Mike down there, and Look at these guns here. This would have been anti-aircraft. You see the turret there where they'd sit and they look out and see their enemy and sight their enemy and things like that. You've got the radar dish here for spotting the planes or whatnot. Now dare I? Yeah. I don't really want to stand on this or go where the snow is because I don't know if there's a hole underneath it. I don't think there is, but there's numbers here. 1, that says 1, 2.
Listen, I'm safe to stand on that.
Yeah, I didn't want to stand any further that way because I didn't know if there were any holes or anything. Well, it should be. Oh, I saw that move.
Like a locking mechanism.
Tell you what. Well, that's
so that opens that way because there's your hinges. That's a lock of some sort which is working. They're going to be locked anyway, aren't they? There's no way you're going to get in.
no.
That's your little periscope.
Yeah, well, there's me thinking we just hatched a plan, but
Oh, piss off.
oh, it jokes.
Anyway, do you like my jumper?
A jumper?
Yeah. It's a tank top.
Class. Right guys, so that's that tank. Unfortunately we couldn't get in it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go and see the rest of the planes and the rest of the place now. So yeah, come and join us as we make tracks. So we're nearly at the vehicles guys. I can already see one. It looks like either a fire engine or
No, fuel tanker.
fuel tanker, yeah. It's pretty hard walking in this snow. Oh, and I can see a bomb there as well. Oh, look at that missile, well, that bomb there.
Russian against British.
It's got 2222 written on it.
2222.
And there what you have on back of tanks for firing missiles out of.
Yeah.
Mobile missile launcher.
The old Bedford TK. Got my teeth on the apprenticeship on them.
Alright.
Yeah, the only access to the engine. Try that.
Alright.
Lift that off and you can get into the engine.
Right. I noticed they've taken the door handle off. One of the bits over here is open. In fact, you might be able to see the engine from here. I don't know if you can see there, guys, or if it's a bit too dark, and I apologise if it is, but there you go. There's a little bit of it. And I can't see into the cab because they've sealed it up. Oh, I can still smell the diesel from it. Now, I wonder if they're actual practice ones or if they're actually still live. I can't see them being live if they'd left here. But I want to keep away from them just in case.
Not with all that snow on.
No. See all bullet holes on here, look. There guys, all the bullet holes. Oh right. Centre section. Oh, that's for the...
Yeah.
For the weird.
I should have done it first, but it was
Yeah.
done my heart about face.
The weird thing is, these have got different top and tail to them. But I can't see. But it is a tank that says empty. I can hear the buzzing from over there. Ah, I see why, it's just missing the cone off it. Right. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to see into that one. But more Russian MiGs. Ah, that one's been stripped. It's had its engine stripped, look at that. Well, that one's had its engine stripped. I'm the wing walker. And watch me slip now. Yeah, I can't. See if you can see in there, guys. I don't know if you can. There's the cockpit there. Which apparently you can get into these, but we don't know how.
RAF Spadeadam. So long as we stay away from there, we're alright.
I keep hearing noises. Wow, and this one's had its engine stripped as well. I actually do want to get in this, inside this. Can I get inside? I can, but it's getting back out. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, hello. So I found a bullet then, but no. Ah.
Well, here we are in the wilderness. We're looking for this beast, this snow beast. Let's follow the tracks. Wonder where he could be. Where did he go? Oh, we're getting a bit closer. Oh, fuck me, what's that? It's a Shaunerus.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Deadly dinosaur.
Yes, what?
Oh, it's comfy.
No. How am I going to get out?
Turn round. You got in. You got in.
Yeah, it's nearly crawling backwards though, Mike.
Yeah. But when you feel your feet drop, you know you're at the end.
Only I could do this.
Try and get in there.
Yeah. Right. Here we go. Going backwards. Oh, I thought I was. Hey! That's how the jets got started. My ass. I had a fart and it flew. Oh, there we go. That was my bit of fun. That's the first time I've ever been inside a jet.
Oh, that's slippery.
Don't walk with your feet either side of that.
No, because they're slipping either side.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not going to chance it.
You don't want to exactly do the splits.
And plus, I'm in full view of over there.
That's a fact, yeah. Right, so we've just come from these jets down here, where it's only crawled inside one, and I've got to this one. I'm gonna have a walk around it first, and then I'll get a wide shot of it and see what you think. We're not sure what kind of jet it is, other than it has had its engine. Whoa, that is big. That is big. So that would have had one hell of an engine inside there. Cool. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm puffing and panting, guys, but I'm knackered after walking around it. Hey?
Russian.
Yeah. And this were an external fuel tank.
5mm. As well.
And you've got more external tanks under there, look.
Oh, it's got a telephone here.
Yeah, that's when for when they're on flight deck. Yeah, absolutely huge.
So I don't know what that one is. Anyone tell us? Give a clue.
Should see the size of engine bay. Yeah, like Mike just said, if anyone knows what this Russian fighter jet is, let me know in the comments below. Actually, I would be very, very interested to find out. I mean, the actual size of it as well is spectacular. I'm gonna go and have a look down here. Oh look, I can just see Mike through the hole there. Hello!
Hello, I can see you at the other end. Oh god, if you look from this end, it looks like two evil eyes looking at you. The air vents.
Yeah.
Looks like two evil eyes looking at you.
And this is where the radar would have been. There, behind that. Yeah, sharp. Oh, didn't realise how sharp them bits were. That is really sharp. I'm going to go back down this way. In fact, well, I'm not going to be able to see inside there, I don't think. Ooh. Down I go. No, I'm not going to be able to see inside the canopy. It'll be too slippy on this bit to get up there. And that only looks into the engine bay. But yeah. See if I could, I don't know if Mike found a serial number. We'll see. Spare for the air intakes for the engine. Yeah, we've got, if anyone can tell me what that says in Russian on there, I'd be interested to hear about that. So the shame this side, I could just about see the chair in there, but there's no way of actually getting up to that point. Which is what I want to do, but maybe later. What were you trying to see, Mike?
Eh?
What were you trying to see?
Now we're just looking in.
Yeah.
Oh.
That is one behemoth, isn't it?
Get some pictures of this one as well.
Yeah. We've made it to these buildings. A little kitchen area there. There's like a little heater down there on the floor. Oh man. More marshy. Oh, god damn it. Damn it. Apparently there's been a couple of, well, I don't know what would have been in here.
Fuel tank.
Fuel tank, yeah, right.
It's all written on the side.
Ah. Oh, aye, so it is.
And I went to look in there.
In this. Oh, already. Oh, wow. I hope you can see this, guys, because I ain't got my light on me. Oh, this is like a generator. Some kind of generator. Which goes back this way. AVK, it says on there. I wonder what these were. Some kind of generator, anyways. It's weird how they've got. Oh, I don't know what I stood on them, but it felt squidgy.
German, maybe Germany.
Made in Germany. Oh, this has got like a fan, turbo fan thing in it. Down here.
Yeah.
So these have got to be some kind of pumps anyway. This is pump one, so that's got one on it. Oh, that's got one on it as well. You can see in that one. You got the blade, fan blades. Does anyone watch my channel who's German? If you know what this says here, I don't know if I can clean it up a wee bit. That something generator. Leave a comment in the comment section. Very weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
And what's the box upstairs for? That's what I don't get. You've got this up here.
Back out we go. It's got an upstairs.
There's how to get to that. And you've got guy lines here holding it. Well, oh. That looks like the electrics room up there. But how to get to it?
I bet it did have a staircase, but
They'll have taken it. Good. I would use that to stand on. But with it being icy today,
yeah, it's not worth it.
it's not worth it. You've got ice across there. So, That's got a cross on it, so this looks like it were a target as well.